Oh, I'm tired. So how you going? Good morning, good afternoon, good night, wherever you are. Welcome back. We have got Rudnick's AU in. We have supplied the man from America with a car to party of his own. So this headlight is rather nice. It's a bit wonky, but we essentially I've been thinking to fix the car. So Chris has filmed the important things like fixing the car.
Oh yeah.
I will film the entertaining part of us testing the car and welding the diff.
Oh hell yeah.
How are you feeling so far in this car?
Dude, I'm stoked on it. Like, I mean, it came in totaled and now look. It's got 2 headlights, we can put a bumper on it, like, thing's good. This is 1 bolt, but it's solid.
That's honestly more than some cars.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, dude.
3 bolts.
Yeah.
Like, it doesn't really
with
look
the
like
panel,
it
we
was
just self-tap it in there.
Pet, I'll show you some handiwork that they did.
Yeah.
So their airbags had blown up because a friend of mine who had the car...
Where the screws are, bud.
Yeah. Oh!
Yeah.
Tough! So...
Recessed.
Honestly, from here, it just looks like someone was driving with cigarettes and just like, that'll do. And... Well, it just got carried away. Yeah, as like Chris, it started off where we're going to tape the airbag. He cut the airbag out. And then I had a look and, yeah. He's just ripped it. Ripped it. I love this. Oh, beautiful. Anyway.
Beautiful.
We had to put a new radiator in the car. We had to put another power steering pump in on the car, and obviously the headlights, and the bonnet's pretty bent. It's still actually outside, so we're gonna have a look at it. It definitely made love to a power pole. That's not factory. So we're gonna grab another bonnet, and I think weld the diff, quick check over, test skid.
Quick check over.
And I don't know where these bastards are coming from, but
Dude, they're everywhere, I'm telling you, man.
yeah, just
Now it's gone.
They got into my pants and stuff. I had ants in my pants, like, for real. I'm not even joking.
absolutely beautiful.
Big enough. Woo! Burnt me. I think that's about right.
Yeah, I mean it's a hole. Everything up top good. Doing some engine mounts, throwing some bolt-on spacers with some different wheels, and the pad is wet and ready to go. And it's very early in the morning.
I love it.
It's
Love to
fine.
see it.
More airflow. Oh my god.
Hey, what you do, dude?
He tapped us out the car turner.
Arthur.
And drill it and put a split pin in it.
So the bonnet opened really easily. Like that all works, but
It fell off.
Will, what's going on here?
Will, yeah, you
Oh.
welding skills.
Yeah, well, he's supposed to be there.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ, come on.
We just wanted to do a test. That's all.
knuckles and he's just shredding. It's pretty f***ing tight in here.
Yeah. Just a little foot brake.
I know. This looks so easy. It's not easy. I'm just f***ing spinning, dude.
As you can see, the car did a thing and it worked. And he's gonna go to Archie to crash it pretty much.
Yeah. Definitely gonna do that. You think I'm gonna crash in the front?
We had the discussion. I think he's gonna probably crash the front.
I hope that's not true. We just
Like
fixed
it might
the
not
front.
be. It might not be bad.
We just fixed the front.
We'll do this side. Nah, normally because people do the low steering angle, especially if you've driven one with steering angle there. But I don't know, you've had a heap of seat time in it at Archie.
You just saw me in the parking lot. It ain't looking too promising.
Nah, it's a little bit of a menace in the car park. It's like, oh,
Yeah.
there's a car there.
Yeah.
There's
You
someone's
don't really
building.
know where to go.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
no, I feel you for that. But
Yeah.
I'm happy. It actually goes good. This is like a Thursday build. Not a Friday build, not a
Yeah.
Monday build. They're bad.
Saying so Thursday's pretty good.
Thursday
Well,
build.
Wednesday's the best though, no?
Nah, I feel like
Nah, Wednesdays are the best, Thursdays are up there, and Fridays are bad.
Yeah.
Friday bad. Monday and Friday bad build, but this is like a Wednesday or Thursday build because this one works. Even after it hit a pole.
It makes all the right noises too. It's not like ticking or doing anything weird, you know?
New oil, new engine mounts.
New
Power to
everything.
the ground.
Yeah. New
Welded
everything.
diff.
New hood pins.
Look at that. See this? Just to mess with your OCD.
Yeah.
What even is that?
It's a piece of fence
It's a
wire.
Conner pin, no?
I don't know.
Little car.
I don't even know where this came from, but look at 3 a.m. in the morning. That looks top.
That will do, mate.
Yeah,
That will do.
yeah.
Pretty much.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, that's it for this thing. He's just going to shred it at Archie, so don't kill it straight away.
I hope not.
Yeah.
I hope I don't hit the front.
Round 2. We want to do at least three
Yeah, no, for sure.
steps before it has to probably park before you come back.
Yeah.
So,
I hope so. That's kind of
Yeah.
the goal here.
beauty. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you later.